Okay, now we look at how to find the intercept between two different lines. Okay, suppose you have already successfully drawn two lines, and you can see there's an intersect point somewhere on this graph, and we want to find the coordinates of that. Okay, instead of just reading off the graph, there's a more accurate way. Okay, we do this by clicking on the menu, okay, and then we analyze the graph, we analyze the intersection. Okay, so a little bit to the left, a little bit to the right, and you'll see this thing pop up says intersection and a coordinate. Here we go. So that is our intersection point between these two lines. Okay, let's run through that again just in case if you miss anything. So go to menu, go to analyze graph, choose intersection. You need to go slightly to the left and slightly to the right, and that's how we get the intersection point. All good? Let's try that on your own CAS calculator.